Stock market investing, day trading strategies to invest in options and stocks. Written by Mike Miller. Narrated by Tony Hughes. Introduction. Stock market investing is to share in a business by purchasing or buying some portion of the business's assets or earnings. This is also known as owning equity. Stock market investing makes the purchaser or the buyer a shareholder of a company. This in turn will make the purchaser entitled to have a share on the earnings of the business. Dividend, which is profit returned, will then be determined by how big or small the percentage of the business that is purchased. The stock market is nothing new. In fact, in 1602, Dutch East India Company listed the first share of stock on the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. Typically, stocks used to be traded at one general location called Wall Street, which is in New York City in the United States. But now, anyone with a computer can easily buy stocks, and now computers do a lot of the work involved in keeping track of who owns what stock and how much is owned. Stock market is also a place where the buyers and sellers of the company's stocks assemble to do the trading. But this trading takes place in prescribed premises called stock exchange. Technically speaking, a stock exchange facilitates the exchange of securities among the sellers and the buyers. American Stock Exchange, AMEX, is one such example of a stock exchange where the stock trading takes place. With the passage of time and the advancement of computer technology, the concept of the traditional stock exchange has undergone a sea of change. Now we have virtual stock exchanges. The best example of a virtual or electronic stock exchange is National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotation System, or NASDAQ. In earlier days, the stock traders would use what was called an outcry method in the physical stock exchanges. They would yell and gesticulate wildly to make their point. Now, the stock trading is performed on a central computer, which can be accessed by every stock trader at his personal computer through a telecommunication network. The central
Sample complete. Ready to continue?